Dhananjay here and welcome to Daily Tech Bites with Dhananjay, episode number 16, where we are going to discuss about tech news which are going around in the world, that too in matter of 5 minutes. And many of you guys were suggesting me to slow down my pace a little bit. I will surely try to do that, but remember that we have to cover all this news in matter of 5 minutes, and there were tons and tons of comments asking me to stick to 5 minutes of timing only because they have job or they have studies or something like that, and they cannot really spend 10 minutes for watching a video, and if it is 5 minutes or less than that, they will for sure watch it. So we will surely try to find a balance between my pace and the 5 minutes timing that we have to follow. So without further delay, let's get started with our news. And first news is about Motorola Moto E3. So it's completely official that Moto E3 is going to be launched on September 19, 2016. And as I have described the specifications earlier, that it is going to have fine 720p screen, 1 GHz quad-core MediaTek processor, 2GB RAM and 16GB of internal storage, Android 6.0 and all those other things with 3500 mAh of battery. And in my opinion, the price of this phone is going to be around 8,000 rupees, and we already have Redmi 3S Prime which is priced at 9,000 rupees and offers far better specifications as compared to what Moto E3 has to offer. So I don't really think that I should be reviewing this Moto E3 if it is priced at 8,000. What do you think? Let me know about that in the poll over here. And the next news is about Samsung Galaxy Note 7. So इतने सारे फोन्स एक्सप्लोड हो रहे हैं, तो अभी सैमसंग ने डिसाइड किया कि वो लोग अभी एक OT अपडेट देंगे जिसके वजह से Galaxy Note 7 60% तक ही चार्ज होगा, and it won't get charged completely to 100%. This is not a permanent solution, so if you have the Note 7, then kindly return it to Samsung. And the next news is related to Jio and very interesting. So if you are using a Jio SIM card, then you must have noticed that calls to Airtel, Vodafone, Tata Docomo, Idea and many other networks do not work at all. Like when I try to call someone, it says the number is busy or not available or anything. And this is because those companies such as Airtel, Vodafone, Idea are not giving POIs, or it is called as point of intersections, to Jio, and because of which you cannot call your friends who are present on that network. But Airtel has said that the total number of POIs will become 3 times the present number of POIs based on the current traffic pattern with all the operators. The capacity is sufficient to serve over 15 million customers, which is significantly higher than Jio's existing customer base. So Airtel is trying to say that they can already serve up to 15 million users. But I can assure you that if you try to call Airtel number today, or if you tried calling yesterday, it will not work. Anyways, let's hope that this issue gets fixed pretty soon. After this, there were multiple leaks about LiGo Pro 3, and according to the leaks, it may come with 8GB RAM and 256GB of storage, 5.7-inch Quad HD display, that is 2K display, and for the 6GB model, it will have 5.5-inch Full HD display with 64GB of internal storage. 6GB RAM variant will have 4070 mAh of battery, and the 8GB model will have 5000 mAh of battery. And LiGo is expected to launch this phone on September 21st because they are holding a media event in China. And the next news is good and bad too, because OnePlus said that they are going to give VoLTE update to OnePlus 2, because if you want to use Jio SIM card, you should have VoLTE, otherwise you will be forced to use the JioJoin application to call someone. And this update is going to roll out in next quarter, not in a week or 2 weeks, next quarter. And that's like, if OnePlus says next quarter, then it should come out in next to next quarter, because OnePlus 2 was supposed to get Marshmallow update. I don't know when it was supposed to get it, but it received Marshmallow update around a month or 2 months back. So yeah, this was pretty much it for the daily tech news, and I have a very special tech deal for you guys, and that is present on gearbest.com, which is called as Fantastic Fall Sale, and the deals start from $0.01, which is extremely cheap basically. And there are tons and tons of deals which you can grab. And not only this, but you can buy the MI Band 2 for $29, which is one of the cheapest price present on the internet. Not only this, but you can buy the MI 5 for $295, which comes out to be around 20,000. And surprisingly, price of MI 5 on gearbest.com is cheaper than what Xiaomi has to offer in India. And there are multiple tech deals which you can buy. So I'll give the direct link for this page in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. So yeah, this was pretty much it for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching.